Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jonathan. How are you doing today?
Yeah.
Hello.
How you doing? Yes.
Yeah, this is Mark, and I'm from SMB Funding. And I'm just checking, can your business looking for any credit line or working capital, Mr.?
Yes.
Okay, how much the amount you may are looking for?
45,000.
45,000. And what about your monthly average deposit, sir, that you're making now?
Anywhere close to 10 to 12,000.
25,000. And what is your credit score looks like, sir?
What's that?
Your credit score looks like.
About 620, 625.
That's pretty good. And how long you are doing business, my sir?
5 years.
5 years. And do you have any current debt?
No, I don't.
Okay. And what is your email address?